Hello, College Connection, American Government. Seems like forever since I've seen you, and I truly, honestly miss everyone. Wanted to send a little shout out and a little welcome video so everyone understands what's coming up and how we have moved to online. Oh my! So you'll see that your homepage has changed. It looks like this with a new explanation of navigating the course. You will need to go in and do Module 0. So on the home page, you can just click Module 0, or as usual, you can go over to Modules and click on here, and it'll drop down to Module 0, or there's buttons at the bottom for Module 0 for you. You do need to do it. There is a quiz at the end, so pay attention to all the pages, and an extra credits assignment as soon as I can get the tech department to help me fix it. I have a flip grid for you. So let's glance here at Module 0. You'll see on my screen that all I have opened is Module 0, and I've closed the rest of these by hitting this little arrow button so that they close. If for some reason you want to go back and take a look at the syllabus again, or the tips on how to organize your class, you can do that, but I have it closed because I don't need to. You'll see in Module 0, I have a welcome. It talks about how the modules are navigated, how they're set up. It talks about Canvas, gives you some really helpful hints, even though you've already done Canvas for a long time. Pop in there, it's only a couple minutes. I do have some Canvas questions on the quiz. About the community, how we network online, what are the rules, how to contact me if you want to or forget how to. There's a lovely little message in there. Also gives you when my office hours are, how we can Zoom together if you want to schedule an appointment or you want to join me in office hours. Then here's your lovely quiz. There's a little video on netiquette, how to post positive and accurate discussion posts. Once you get to the 0 module finished, it will pop up with a yay, you're finished with this page, and it'll either take you to go back to the home page again, or you can connect directly to the opening module. Every single module will have an end page where you can select the next page or go back to the home page, depending on when you finish those modules. They will always open on Sundays, and pretty much it's designed for you to do the work during the week. So if we click this first module, you'll see I've separated out our politicking and culture into separate weeks. So each module will be a different week. So we're still in Module 3, but we're now in Module 3.3, which would be public opinion and voting. There's a squirrel outside my window. So every module will be set up the same way. Objectives and overviews tells you what's coming up, what you need to do, what you need to take care of. There will be a section of instructional content, whether it's a video, a reading, a lecture, a PowerPoint that I've done. Your quizzes will still be the same, always due on Wednesday. Class seminar are our discussion posts. Well, some weeks I have them, some weeks I'll have a flip grid, so just pay attention to what's coming up. And then the last part will be obviously your assessing learning. So pretty much if you work your way through and take good notes, once you get to the assessment part, it'll be very clear. Most of them are set up with a Word document built in, so you need to make sure you are using your OneDrive, and if you need to troubleshoot, make sure you send off a troubleshooting help ticket to the help desk, which is located right here. Online library resource, or you can connect on it from the online success, or back on the welcome page I have a link. You will see that, and I won't open all of these, but part 3, 4 is campaigning, and the last part is media. So you'll see that those will open. The prerequisites will always be the previous model. You need to finish that module first before you move on to the next. And then there will be items that you need to complete in there in order for you to close out, finish up, and move on. So looking forward to hearing from everyone, seeing everyone, and as usual, give me a call if you need any help via email or on our Remind app. Looking forward to seeing everyone again.